So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube again guys. So let's go again to grocery.
I have toothpaste, guys.
So what is that guys? How about the toothpaste guys?
What's the name of the toothpaste?
What's the name of toothpaste?
Pond's?
Can we put it in, Daddy? Okay, you have one item.
One item?
Yeah.
So
We're
fine.
waiting for more items.
So yun, grabe na ngayon guys ang mga bilihin. Hindi na basta-basta ngayon.
Guys.
Oh.
Oh my god, 950.
Guys, what bigger one?
You want how much?
How much? $9.50.
Suppose Korean ay $15.
So
But doon naman, apat din. How much this one din?
It's too
Pwede
big.
wala, tatlo lang. Oh, very.
It's a big one.
So just different siguro isa.
2-pack. You volume pack.
Marsibla tayo.
What?
Usang tayo nito.
How much is this one?
You make $4.
$9?
$10?
$9.50. It's $9.50.
ay, buti na lang guys may overtime.
There's only one lang. Pang sarasarap lang pag nabusan. Ito kami sila ng
Why is there a
No.
since the inside.
fruits?
Mahal lang,
This is
$5.
for you. Toothpaste is in here. Veggies and fruits.
Is that?
This one. Look, I can jump high. I can jump high with that.
That's it.
Wait, why is there cups here? So much plates, guys. Why is there electric sports car? This is new.
See?
Yeah.
So how much?
How much is that one? Oh. This one only? What?
This
So,
5 years, 6 years old.
that one is 5. So that one is 9.5. We already buy this one. How much is? Oh.
Mahal na ako sa mabubo dito. Siya nang mag-imagine pa nila sa mabubo. Magkano siya? Sabi nila,
55? 400?
44 pieces. Siya nang magbubuo. So, malambot na yung pinikit.
Too squishy like this.
Organic yan eh. Tomato.
Siya na kasi nilog na, mabubuo.
Vegetable. Asparagus.
So, kakaroon din.
But this one below.
No, there. Put it back there. Now let's go. Come on.
This one is 50.
So, yan guys. Oh, nakasale na yan. Oh. Grabe ng mahal.
Pag binuksan ko siya, open na lahat.
Oh, arot pa ka dito na oh.
Yun ba yun? Yung binibili natin? Puro na pala dito?
Why?
16 isa?
Arot oh.
Like 16, 17. Isa post ko rin yung 14.
Yes.
Ano no? Bibili mo.
Too much beef. Guys.
Expensive na yan, beef.
again.
Tapos pag-ibig mo birthday ko, tubo-tubo ko na ba? Ano mo ngayon? Gusto mo ba ng pork?
Oh, tulungan mo ko. Oh, kuha ka nito. Kuha ka isa. Oh. Fish. Pampano. Shrimp man yung mahal.
Kasi na yun ang pag-ibig mo. Tapos mo kapalitan sa kapag-ibig.
Pampano na eh. Bakit? One pampano. $9 lang bago. Favorite ni Wilhelm. Oh.
I'm excited to finish.
$6.
Vanilla ng bebe, ayan dito.
Ayun, magawal vanilla oh.
Yung vanilla gusto mo, you want the sorted? Different color.
Today's cinnamon.
Cinnamon time.
Yeah, cinnamon time.
So yun guys, grabe na. Pamahal ang mga presyo ngayon. Oh,
Wala na.
may ice cream.
Gusto mo yun.
So tayo na lang gagawa ng ice cream.
$50 lang kasi rin sa presyo.
Mura lang yan. So yan guys. Ang gasolina ngayon dito $1.47. So yan guys. Medyo mahal. Sige na tayong pamahal. Tapos na yung grocery natin. So yan guys.
Eating, guys.
William is eating guys. Oh.
And mommy.
Mommy. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.